Oh, now you have the hiccups. You're laughing too much and now you have the hiccups. Aww.